Okay guys, bam, there we go. This is my son's SCX10 G6 Falkin edition. Got this used for him. So today, not too bad shape, but today we're gonna put some new links on it, because when we got it, as you can see there, zoom in here a little bit on you. As you can see, it's got one steel one down here, all right, and all the rest are plastic, and you can see they're all bent and bowed, and some people like these, I think, because they give you more flex. But personally, I'd rather have the steel links in here. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do steel links, and I got these right here. They're used. I got them off Facebook on one of my forums called Axial RC Rock Crawlers on Facebook. Check them out. All right, so the first thing we got to do is obviously take off the body. It just makes it easier to get into things. I bought these off of Facebook, like I said. Axial RC Rock Crawlers is a forum, and a gentleman by the name of Josh Dobert. So, hey Josh, what's up? Thanks for the links, man. So there, we got the body. He's got two bodies. He's got another one just like this, but it's all beat up for just goofing off with it. But so we'll just set that over there. And then the next thing we got to do is take off the tires so we can get in here. These ones actually, these caps here actually come off of my project that I'm building, as you guys know. The Wrangler SCX10 SCX10 2 kit I'm building. Make it into the Wrangler. So I gave these to Alex because I got bead locks and these don't fit it. 7.0. This thing's got all stock. Everything's stock on this. It's got the AE5. Yeah, AE5 speed control. It's got the tactic steering servo, the Axial 27 turn motor. Everything's stock on this. And let's get these wheels off. All right, so we got that all set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 4 bolts out, flip these links up so they're out of the way, and then get the inside links. Get those done and out of the way. All right, so I got the 4 bottom links, I guess you'd call them, out of the way. So we're just going to leave those hanging there for now. Your axles will drop back a little bit. Next thing to do is get these ones. I'm going to do these all individual so I can make sure I line up the right sizes to the sizes that I need. Okay, so basically what we got here is, Josh had some custom rig set up. So these 4 right here is the ones we're going to use for the 4 right here, going to the skid plate and the bottom of the axles. We don't have these 4 here. I'm not sure what these ones don't fit. This one doesn't fit, so we're just going to put these 4 on, and those are the 4 main ones because these are all bent up. So that'll take most of the load off of us. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to take these, put them all in here, and yep, that's what we're going to do. All right, let's get busy. All right, so we got the one end right here. So yeah, basically it's fine because these ones here don't see as much flex. They move around and stuff, but this is what it's going to scrape on everything. It's going to let you slide over better on the rocks, give you a little bit more stiffness. So yeah, we're good. And just so you know, Alex, see you got that, we call these hats. These ones don't matter. These new links, those new links right there have hats on both sides. So it doesn't matter which way you put these in, which is nice. So. All right, guys. So as you can see, there we go. Got these 4 links on, and they do stiffen it up quite a bit. We still got these 4 factory ones in here, which they're fine, but so these ones work real nice. So as you can see how bad these factory ones were. Look how bent that is. So yeah, so those factory ones kind of stink, but so yeah, so got those installed, put the wheels and tires back on, and she'll be ready to roll. Okay guys, there she goes. She's all back together again. Got good flex. Should be a little bit better on the trails now. Slide over them rocks and whatnot. So thanks for watching another episode of T&A Adventures, and we'll see you on the trails.